Masna Duza, and I'm a math teacher in Cambridge Village College. This lesson today is all about Fibonacci sequence. What we are going to do really is divide the classroom into groups of 4, discussion groups of 4. Each group have 5 tasks all related to Fibonacci, and the children will go over those in their own pace. Start from envelope 1, which is the small one. And only when you get permission from a teacher, you will move to envelope 2, envelope 3, 4, 5, and so on. I am not going to help you one little thing with the maths today. You're going to do it all by yourselves. All right, so it's envelope number 1 for you. Open it up. They've opened an envelope which had 12 pieces of puzzle. The Fibonacci numbers were on each piece of puzzle. They had to work out what it is that I want, and it took them 3 to 5 minutes. It's a very capable group.
And then it's A. 3 and 5 and 8 is 13. We've done it. And 8's 21. Ah, clever.
This is the introduction to sequences. It gets them to start thinking about sequences. I think Fibonacci is a very interesting sequence. It's about developing curiosity and enthusiasm for maths. 2 out of 3 years?
5.
Nice. What's the name of that sequence?
Oh, Fibonacci.
Well done. This is what the lesson's all about today. Let's see what you've done.
Fibonacci.
The next task is basically giving them that sheet and asking them, what does that have to do with Fibonacci?
Starting from one of the small squares, can you put them together so that every time you add a square, you can create a rectangle?
Yeah, that.
Like making bigger A something paper, like that. And then 2 of those equal that one, and then those 3, the long side of those ones equal to that one because they're squares.
Each one is a quarter of the other one. What about these 2? Yeah. Quarter.
And then how does this link to that? And again, I'm not contributing any information at all, so it's all within their discussion that they have to work this out.
The rectangle goes in the spiral shape, so it's got 2 small ones, then a bigger one here, then a bigger one.
I think this is going fantastically well. All the children are involved at some level of mathematics. I can already see this is about 2/3 into the lesson, that actually some of them are ahead of others, as you would expect, so the differentiation is working beautifully. Curiosity is still up, and I do have time to observe how they work in a group, how they communicate their maths, and have a chat to them, which is quite pleasant, really. Nice and almost relaxing lesson.
This one's about gardens and rabbits, and after a month the rabbits can have children, and they just keep on going, and we have to see what happens after a year.
1 plus 2 is 3, so and then there's 3 more this month, and 2 plus 3 is 5, and there's 5 more, and then it's B5, then 3 plus 5, that's 8, and there was 8, so I think it will carry on like that.
We're supposed to find sequences, so we found sequences like all along there. It goes 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
And the numbers go up like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Look at this.
Because you add 3 to get to 6, and then you add 4 to get to 10, and then you add 5 to get to 15.
6 to get to 21.
The main effort in this lesson went into the preparation of the resource. The way the lesson is run, actually the children are packing it back for me, so I can use it again and again and again. It's a lesson that can work throughout Key Stage 3, really. These are Year 7s that are doing it here. Last year I've done it successfully with Year 8s. It is really available and open to most of the students. It's really great.